Good morning, J Momos, and welcome back to another video. Today is Vlogtober day 12. We are almost halfway there, y'all. Vlogtober day 12. So today we are going to decorate the bar area. So we are finally getting to the bar, y'all. First, I'm going to show you all everything that I'm using, and you already know I love to layer the plate settings, and I think this one is going to come out good. I'm excited about this one because the napkins that I'm going to make, I use some fabric. Well, I'm going to use some fabric that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I absolutely love it because it has a pop of color, which y'all know how I am about color, okay? But I absolutely love the fabric when I saw it at Hobby Lobby, so we're gonna put those together. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this video, y'all. So we're gonna have our round wooden pieces. I purchased those from Hobby Lobby in the craft section. Like they have like a little area that has wood, so you just go to that section. And then here is the fabric. I also purchased that from Hobby Lobby. Just go to the sewing area. These mats right here, these placemats, I've had these for a while. I want to say I purchased them from, Kirkland's. I purchased these from Kirkland's. And these mats, I want to say I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. I already had my lantern, so I'm going to use those. These Get Cozy signs, those came from Walmart. And I have no idea where I purchased these pumpkins. It may have been Hobby Lobby because I've had those for a while. And then these are our napkin rings. Look at that. Ain't this cute? Y'all already know. Y'all know. And what I'm going to do, I already broke one of the sticks. These were actually on the stick, these pumpkins. So I'm going to break the other one because I feel like these will go good together in that area. So we'll see. So that's everything that I'm using. And let's get started, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all about the black plates, so I'm going to add those too.
At first I said that I love you and you ain't say that shit back. It's kinda hard to just trust you when both your feelings don't match. Got me showing less emotions, I don't wanna get attached. Once I give you my word, I swear it ain't no going back. Once I give you my heart, you better keep that shit intact. Instead of assuming no words, girl, I'm just here stating facts. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. So tell me, is you gon' ride out when the chips fall? I seen too many people leave when it get hot. I'm tired of going back and forth when we pissed off. Most of my friends done went through it and they stood tall. See, they gon' try and tell you what they think is good for you. Whole time they was plotting, man, I wish they was for you. You gotta watch your back, your front, your side, they disloyal. I gotta watch my crown, cause from birth I've been royal. And that's from the soil. Yeah. Individuals. What happen when y'all both reach the pinnacle? Things start to get physical. What make it worse? The motherfucker live with you, talking what you didn't do and what they did for you. You just praying for a miracle, cause they been with you through the good and the bad times, made it pivotal. All them feelings that you hold inside, it will hinder you, so let it go. What you didn't do and what they did for you. You just praying for a miracle, cause they been with you.
noche canto por ti. Tú no respondes, luna, te perdí por otra mujer, por otra mujer, por otra mujer, por otra mujer. Todas mis culpas y todos mis delitos. No quiero aceptar que todo acabará por otra mujer, por otra mujer. Luna de noche, canto por ti. Tú no respondes, luna, te perdí por otra mujer. Yeah, yeah. Por otra mujer. No, 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 por otra mujer. Por otra mujer. Okay. Todas mis culpas y todos mis delitos.
All right, y'all. So this is how everything is looking. I think I may move this down. I don't know. We'll see. The dishwashing liquid and all that stuff. I like it sitting up, but when you look at it from this angle, you know it's sitting up high. Maybe that's just me. But anyway, so this is how it's looking. I removed the bottom mat. I felt like it was a little bit too much. And so I just removed that, and we have the greenery mat on the bottom. And then I have my wood piece, the plate, and the napkin. Y'all, the napkin is what's doing it for me. I love the colors. I love the colors in that napkin. And then right here, I just added the lantern, and then I could turn that on. The counter, I could turn that on, you know, in the evening time, at night. I added my wooden sign, and the two pumpkins, y'all already know. When it comes to that pumpkin right there, y'all already know. So yeah, so that's how everything looks. I am happy with how it turned out. And y'all go get y'all some fabric and make them napkins. You can customize it. So whatever holiday, or if you just feeling a certain color or texture or whatever, listen, you better go to Hobby Lobby or wherever and get you some fabric. But that's the look, y'all. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will see you J Momos in the next video. Bye, y'all.